Hi, I'm Alexander Couture from René Paris and Aderans. Today we've got a very exciting day. We're working with this piece, which is Wavy XL in Illumina-R. This is stunning. I absolutely love that. I mean, look at all this beautiful hair, literally just cascading down, and just great curl pattern. It's really nice to work with. So today, what am I going to do? I'm going to do something loose, something easy to achieve at home, and like a kind of party style. Now, first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to section the front away from the back. So in hairdressing terms, we call it the radial section, which is ear to ear. So I'll just clip that out of the way. Okay, so I've just got a standard hair tie. I'm going to put this into a pony, a nice low pony to cover the back. But if you wanted the pony a bit higher, let me show you a trick. So I'll move the hair so you guys can see what's going on. And then I'll just pull the base of the wig down. And can you see how we get that lovely kind of soft bagging across there? It covers the hairline, so it keeps it looking super natural. Okay, you can work this round. You can put it in a braid. You can put it in all sorts of different things. But what I'm doing, if you see, I'm just wrapping that over. So it's a bit like a rope, if you can see that. And then I shake that hair. So can you see? I just shake that around. And then when I move that around there, look, we've got that beautiful shape. Just to give it a little bit more definition or a bit more size, you can use a bun ring. I'm going to put a little bun ring at the base, nothing too big. Guys, remember we want a nice loose hairstyle today to complement the curl pattern. If you wanted a more straighter, structured hairstyle, you'd probably go with like more of a straighter wig to begin with. Just taking some bobby pins here. Take one bobby pin in. So I'm using a dark bobby pin, guys, because it's Illumina-R. So the R stands for the root, so we have a nice dark root. So if anything was too light with the bobby pin, it would probably show up against the root. So try match it always with the root colour, because the bobby pin is going towards the root. And then I'm just going to place this around the bun ring. So now, guys, what you can see is I'm just literally positioning the hair, both the side areas. I'm going to remove this section right here, and then I'm going to come in from the sides. Wrap this up, the same on this side. We're now going to work with the sides. You could braid it, there's various things you can do, but for me, it's such a beautiful style as Wavy XL. I want to keep it as soft and natural as possible. So I'm going to give it a twist up here, okay? And I'm just going to grip that hair into there. So I've got plenty left out to play with towards the end. So just putting that grip in there, you see how that gives us that lovely little bit of height. And then we've got the hair here ready to use for when we're ready. We now have, if we let our young lady see, we've got this top section again. The side sections have gone and the back is already around the bun ring. So again, I'm just going to take this hair. So I'm just going to take two pieces there and just move it round this hair like this, wrap that over, and then take that hair around and leave that gripped in like this. Opening the grip just on my wedding ring there. And then don't be afraid, guys, to move away from the wig a little bit and all your hair, and just check that the style's sitting in. Sometimes you know, when you are looking at hair, we can look at it too closely. And sometimes by moving away, we see a lot more. You know, right now, I'm just looking at how I should wear the front. Now, the thing is with Wavy XL, it's got longer bangs that are a bit short around the front. So you can work with some of that. I'm just taking a small elastic, popping that one small elastic in there. I'm not even doubling up with that. So it leaves all this hair. Now, what I'm going to do here is, like the first section, turning it like a bit of rope we can either decide whether we're going to position this round, or around like this, or around like this. So first I'll just give that a little shake. And I mean, that just looks stunning. That really does look stunning. Taking the dark bobby pins in. Now let me just pop this right into here. So these little bits here of the hair, I'm going to leave those down because I think that keeps it quite realistic, and you know, and I don't think not every lady always wants to scrape the hair right off their face. You know, they like a little bit of softness to sit round the front. So just gonna, with a little bit of the spray. This is the Protect Holding Spray. Try think of the spray as a styling tool, not you must use it all the time. So I'm just going to give her a little spin round from this side. This side you can see that all beautiful roped detailing coming in there, then some looser curls, that's all wrapped in. It looks stunning. A little twist in there, and I've separated this area here so you can see a bit of that definition of the root. Taking that off the root a little bit, giving us a bit of lift, keeping some softness out. Now that could go behind the ears, you could wear that with some really nice earrings, and it just looks beautiful. I hope that's been informative. I hope you've got something out of that. You can see this nice little party up style created on a wig that's got so much hair. You know, this is Wavy XL, so we have literally bags and bags of hair. So from me, Alexander Turnbull at René of Paris and Aderans, thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep following us on Instagram, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.